Welcome back to Weather Plus, everybody. I'm Tony Martin. Time for the Model Explainer segments. We're going to check out the upper levels of the atmosphere, and you notice what's going on here. Notice a bit of sagging going on with the height lines going into the eastern U.S. That indicates cooler air coming in, and that's going to be with us into the coming weekend. Looks like a nice shot of some autumn-like air coming in, where some of the higher elevations across the region won't get much above 70 as we get into the latter part of this week and for the first part of this weekend. Not a whole lot of rain to talk about. It's basically a dry northwesterly wind flow as we head into Friday afternoon. There will be some sort of a front sagging through the area, and with that, we could see a pop-up shower or storm across the region. But the biggest story is going to be the cooler air coming in during the course of the next several days. Saturday afternoon, that pocket of cool air right over top of us, and with that cool air in place, we could see a pop-up thunder shower here or there. Nothing widespread, nothing organized, but just that chance because of how cool that air is going to be as it moves right across Pennsylvania Friday and into the day on Saturday. But persistence will pay off with a mainly dry forecast for the second half of the weekend and early next week. We're going to see this trough begin to lift out, move its way up into parts of Canada, and as that happens, the return flow around high pressure will bring in a westerly wind and also start to bring back in warmer temperatures. Sunday will moderate on the order of around 5 degrees or so compared to what we're going to have on Saturday. And by the time we get to Monday, it's almost a west to east flow, a zonal flow across the country. Warmer and also pretty dry weather looks to hold true all the way through a good chunk of next week. By Tuesday, you can see the pattern relaxes even more so. That 582 line that we look at for temperatures getting at or above average, basically right along the Pennsylvania border by the time we get to Tuesday, and temperatures look to warm through a good chunk of next week. We'll look at precipitation potential coming up.